Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Nissan Sentra SV. Under the hood we have a 1.8 liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black, it looks great. You do have your Nissan badging up front there with your halogen headlights right there. Coming around the side we do have our 16-inch rims with Goodyear brand tires. They look great. You do have heated exterior mirrors on this guy as well. Coming around to the back, we do have our Nissan Sentra badging there, and to open it up we just need to press the button on the key. It opens right up for us just like that. Lots of room back here as well. Lots of room to haul things, groceries and whatnot. You can also lift this up and you do got your spare tire just underneath there if you did ever need it. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them. You do have that one for the back, and you do have your panic button there as well. But let's take a look on the inside here. On the door you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You do also have the chrome accenting on here, handle here, and some storage down here. Right over here we do have the controls over the in-cabin lights. We have our mirror control. This one opens up the back. We also have an eco, sport, and traction control there. Up here we have the controls over the lights, so the auto, the off, the daytime running lights, and the low beams there. Okay, let's start up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Also says how many kilometers we have, 38,000, not too bad at all. We can also switch that around from our average liters per 100 kilometers to our average kilometers. We also have our kilometers till empty. We have our trip A and our trip B, as well as our average there and there. And then back to the beginning. We can control that from right here. We also have our channel changer, our source, our volume up and down, and our Bluetooth options there. Horn in the center and your cruise control options right there. Then over here we do have our controls over our windshield wipers. Over in the center here we do have our hazard lights up here. We have our radio, so you have your CD player, FM and AM, CD, USB and aux cord. Then you also have your volume up and down with the power, your presets down here, your skip, display, setup, and back button, and then you also have your enter and whatnot there. Here you have your power up and down with the AC, where it's going to blow out of, your defrost, as well as your AC and your heat. Some storage just down there. Gear shift is right here, just like that. You have some cup holders here, and you also have your e-brake. And then in the center, you have some storage just right there. Over here, we do have lots of room in our glove box with our owner's manual. And then up top here, you do have the controls over the lights and a sunglass holder. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door, you do have the same control over the windows. You have your chrome accenting handle here and some storage down here. Looks fantastic in here. Same material as the front, very soft and comfortable. You can also press this button right here, or no, sorry, pull it, and fold this down. Then you got extra room back there if you need something a little bit longer. And there's our 1.8 i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Nissan Sentra SV. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.